So now we're going to actually use this theorem and prove triangles are congruent. So before we begin, I want to give some useful tips. Again, we're delving into proofs, our most difficult, challenging unit of the year. So recall from Unit 2 that we can only build a proof from information that we are given and known definitions and relationships. It is super important that you always annotate your diagram, all right? Mark your diagram with what you know. Sometimes you might need to redraw the triangles that you're trying to prove congruent and mark them with what you were given. That way you can look for what information you still need in order to use one of the theorems or postulates or proven congruent. So two things to look for when doing triangle proofs. If we're missing an angle or we're missing a side, one is vertical angles. We know that those are always congruent, so we could say JLK is congruent to angle NLM because they're vertical angles. Another thing to look for is a shared or common side due to reflexive property, so AC is congruent to AC. Again, reflexive property can refer to angles or to sides. So if you see a shared angle in two triangles, you can use reflexive property for that as well.